What made you pick Vectara? Because there's multiple vendors out there, right? And they all started kind of before ChatGPT became a thing.
So there was an option to potentially move to actually, I'll disambiguate here for a second that Vectara is not a vector database. We have a vector database, but we are not a vector database. And that was a choice that I was trying to make was, do I move to somewhere that is going to be a vector database, or should I go somewhere that's going to build the Mac of, semantic search, which is, hey, I don't get to pick my exact CPU. I don't get to pick like every little bit. They have chosen the things that are going to be most optimal for me. And so
just look, maybe give us the 30-second plug on what Vectara actually is then, because I thought it was a vector database company too.
Yeah, so Vectara is an all-in-one, batteries included, end-to-end system that will do everything that you need to launch a semantic search and generative text application. So we do everything from, you can upload a PDF and we'll extract the text out of the PDF. We'll do all the chunking for you. This is something that a vector database often doesn't do, is try to do the chunking. We'll extract the vector.
What does that mean?
Trying to figure out like the boundaries for appropriate semantic meanings, basically, to build the vectors on top of.
It's like, where does context begin and end for a certain thing?
So we're doing the chunking for you. We have launched our own large language or embedding model, in-house, that outperforms the other embedding model companies, like it outperforms Cohere. And then we index that content both into a vector database and into a keyword system. And then when you perform a search, we do all of the rest of the things on the other side that you would need to do to build a system up that uses this. We will automatically find the results from both the keyword and the vector system. We'll automatically blend those two results together for you, so you don't need to deal with the blending. We will automatically deal with the highlighting of any results, including semantic highlighting instead of just keyword-based highlighting. We'll automatically go off and produce the generative summary, and that generative summary will actually be able to do this retrieval augmented generation and cite its sources. So it'll say like, Taiwan is not a country as referenced by the following, document. And this helps us get us out of that, or it is, because the following document has that.
The AI model has explainability into it. So would you say Vectara, from a search point of view, Vectara is more competitive with like Elastic then, in that sense?
It's more like a semantic based Elastic or Algolia, if you will, SaaS model.